Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fibonacci retracement on Webull. First, understand that Fibonacci retracement is a popular technical analysis tool. It helps traders identify potential areas of support and resistance based on mathematical ratios. These levels can indicate where a price might pause or reverse its direction. We'll cover how to apply this tool effectively within the Webull platform. To draw Fibonacci retracement on Webull, navigate to the Drawing Tools menu on your chart. Select the Fibonacci retracement option. You'll then need to identify a clear price swing, either from a significant low to a high or from a high to a low. Click at the start of the swing and drag to its endpoint to apply the levels. Once drawn, you'll see several horizontal lines representing key Fibonacci levels. The most common are 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6%. These levels are potential areas where the price could reverse or consolidate. The 50% level is often a strong psychological point for traders. For effective trading, combine Fibonacci retracement with other technical indicators like moving averages or trend lines. Look for confluence, where a Fibonacci level aligns with another support or resistance area, strengthening the signal. Always practice applying these techniques on a demo account first to gain confidence before risking real capital in live market conditions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.